Alright guys, before I close the video off, I just wanted to take a moment to talk about this mask. I made this mask for my buddy Metal13 here on YouTube. Most of you have probably never heard of him, and that's okay, because he's got like what? I don't even know how many subscribers he's got. But hopefully he can get some more subscribers after his video drops. I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel, so check him out. Anyways, this is his personal mask that I made for him. He had one that he made for himself, but he wanted me to kind of update it, I guess you could say, and make a new one for him. Basically what this is a dead skin clown mask. And you know, the idea behind this mask is that the clown makeup is carved into the face of the victim. We've got a bullet hole right here. We've got a lightning bolt rune on the forehead, because me and him thought that'd be pretty cool to have one here. And then the clown makeup just carved into the face, and then we got this green stitching here across the mouth. You can see it's all cut up and bloody and stuff. And it's bloody on the inside as well. That black stuff is just from where I glued the stitching down, so that way it wouldn't poke him in the face and be uncomfortable. I mean, I still poke him a little bit, but you know, it'd have this rubber glue over top of it so it won't be as itchy. And that glue will also help keep it in place. I've got washers here to help hold the straps in place. I use Chicago screws for the straps in case you want to take them off. And I use the washers just to help keep the strap in place in case you were to pull it tight, because this latex can stretch and the little rivet top here can pop out. So the washers to help keep that from happening. And I'm pretty happy with how this thing turned out, and Kevin's happy with how it turned out. These will be for sale, but not painted like this, because this is Kevin's paint job. Whereas the ones I sell have a different paint job and will have different stitching and different straps. I have talked to him and he's okay with it. He's still going to get credit for the design, but you know, the whole paint job will be different, unless if somebody who orders one really wants one paint like his. The ones that'll be for sale have more of a fleshy tone. They won't have this clown makeup painted on. It'll have totally different straps, and the stitching across the mouth will be in the X pattern instead of this straight across bar pattern, I guess you could say. So if you really want one, they'll be for sale on my Etsy store. Link will be in the description. They're not for sale just yet, but they'll be for sale soon. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I decided to film me painting this thing. I didn't film me painting the mask I'm working on for Douglas Little, because the paint job for that particular mask is pretty simple, I guess you could say. It's like pretty much a two-step paint job, just a base coat of white, paint in the mouth and do a black wash on it. But I'm selling Doug a bunch of blanks, so maybe he'll do some videos painting them up. But anyways, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I plan on doing more videos soon. So, see you in the next one.